What's going on, guys? It's your boy Starter Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might carry me a floozy. Yeah, baby, you hear that? There ain't no fat girl thighs rubbing together, baby. The Birdman hand, little dad. I do this for Miss Gladys. Why? Cause the Drip Network is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. Hey, why? Hey. Woo! Let's get to this money, baby. You see it. Well, I don't even know what the price is. I care less what the price is. I live on the fossil, bro. I don't watch charts and prices all day, baby. I just know this thing keep paying that 1%. You understand what I'm saying? I forgot to talk about this, man. The new Drip Garden game came out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. You see, man, people make videos about it, man. See, this is why people hate Drip, man. I gotta break it down for the new people to understand. It's just a success thing. It's like nobody cared about Jay-Z till he got to the top. You know what I'm saying? Nobody cared about nobody until you make it to. When you make it to the top, that's when everybody want to shoot the arrows at you and all that. You understand what I'm saying? It is 100 platforms out there, bro, that don't work. People losing money every day. Can't sell. You see what I'm saying? All that. They ain't talking about them. But they mad at Drip. You mad at something that works. That doesn't even make sense, bro. That's why I tell people like all the time, don't get to argue with nobody, especially on the internet, about something that works, bro. Let them argue with themselves. They just trolling you. Don't, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, shout out to all these, let me see, Drip Farming for Poverty, Matthew Pisgotti, Donatello Crypto Invest. That's another thing too. And that's why they be, you know, when people talk about me, they don't be mad at me personally. They get mad at the love I get from the people. You know what I'm saying? Y'all love me so much, especially notification gang. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all be in them comments that they read the comments more than I do. My haters read my comments more than I do, bro. So y'all famous too. If you in my comment, y'all are famous, bro. The haters read the comment more. They hate the love that I get and the camaraderie I have with my people. You understand what I'm saying? Because most people be buying views and all that. My people are real. You know what I'm saying? And so the haters hate that about me because they want it. It's envy. That's what it is. That's the term, is envy and jealousy. You should never be envy. You see how I come through here? I don't even know who Donatello is. Donatello Crypto Investing. Shout out to him. Go check him out. I'm not gonna be envious. I'm scared. Oh, he gonna get more views than me. Oh, he gonna do this. I ain't shouting him out. He ain't talking about so. Man, that's crazy. I don't know how people. I'm telling you, crypto don't change people. Whoever you are in real life, it's gonna come out sooner or later. If you're a jealous, envious person, it's gonna come out. And they jealous and envious and hateful of Drip for what reason, I don't know. All they're doing is just working. Shout out to Crypto Mischief, Scotty Too Hottie, DeFi Crypto Talk, Wise Crypto. Hey, Wise Crypto, make sure they ain't Peter. We don't need that kind of energy over here. Decrypto Cat, Crypto Moon, boy, y'all see it, man. I mean, what else you want me to say, man? Y'all see it, man. I mean, I can do that on. Anyway, let's keep it moving, child. Oh, and this too. Let me, you know, what you want me to say? It works, man. The Drip testimonial chat. Shout out to everybody joining that, man. I mean, hey, what can I say? I don't even know these people. I didn't start this. I ain't never commented. I just like, you know, read. I love people's stories, bro. Look at this, August 16th. Let's see what he said. Been getting laid off a lot, and I've been denied unemployment. Not to worry. Drip has been there to provide for me. Let's see if we got the four. Provide for me and my family with means during tight times. It really is great. I don't know. He missing some stuff, but it really is great wild card, great side hustle without the hustle. I mean, how you gonna hate on that, bro? How you gonna hate on that? Man getting laid off, denied unemployment, Drip filling in the gap for him and his family to eat. But you mad. With all the other stuff that ain't doing that, you mad at Drip that actually works. Think about that, bro. What kind of person you gotta be to hate on something that's paying people and feeding their little kids and stuff, and buying formula? Like, man, people are something else, bro. See, the problem tell with people, this is the thing right here. People will get mad at some ad being in the Drip Telegram Animal Farm or something, and then get mad at the faucet. What you mad at the faucet for? The faucet ain't did that to you, but pay you. It's misplaced hate, bro. You mad at the faucet. That is that won't argue with them, bro. I just sit back. You know what I'm saying? Then they just lash out up here, get mad, or Stunner said Drip going to 100. Okay. It's already been there. Why is that so outlandish? It's already been there. Why can't it go back? Oh, because it's minting tokens, minting coins. Genius. You do realize Ethereum does not have a supply. It mints every day. Yeah, I'm gonna let that marinate. So y'all can go Google that. That is true. Ethereum does not have a supply. It mints every day. But you don't say nothing about that. But Drip is minting tokens that cannot go up in price. They just regurgitate the same foolishness. You can get no fact. You can say anything. You can put up any number. It's just like when Richard Hart was talking about Hex and Hex doing 10,000x or whatever. People saying the same thing. You can't do that. What you mean? And it did it. You can say Drip going to 1,000. Why not? Why it can't? Why can't it? When it was going down from $6 to $5 to $4, you thought it was going to 0. You didn't think it was going back to 10 or 11. It doubled in price, tripled in price from $4. You didn't think that was going to happen either. How did it do that? How? Let me guess. Oh, Forex did that. You know what I'm saying? Everything, Forex did that. You know, when it's going down, Forex stealing. When it's going up, Forex did that. I'm like, bruh, it is ridiculous. And people wonder why, I like it so much. The only reason I like Drip, bro, is 2 words. It works. It works. Anybody who been in crypto a long time like me, man, that was around back in them Tron days, even before Tron. Bro, I was on Tron when Tron first started their blockchain. Before that, we only had Ethereum. Ethereum is the most rugged blockchain in history as far as dollar amounts. Bro, when we were doing them ICOs and stuff, bro, you wouldn't get nothing. You would send your Ethereum to Primer Block or whatever that was we were doing and get nothing. You get nothing. You get nothing. And Ethereum was like $600 a piece. Huh? And we wasn't getting nothing, but we done been, bro. Then we get on Tron with all the lending platform stuff. Just Rug City wasn't getting nothing, just wasn't making nothing. Nothing would work. Nothing. Not longer than 3-4 days. Hell, P3D only lasted what? 6 months? Maybe 7 months, something like that. It sure didn't last no year. And that's the one kind everybody, P3D was it, P3D. It didn't even last a year. See, people like to rewrite history. But see, you ain't got to worry about rewriting history with Drip because it's still going. We almost at a year and a half. Almost at a year and a half paying the same 1%. And you know something? You ever notice when Forex Talk or do AMA, he never beg people to buy Drip. Ever. You'll hear other developers go on and be mad, telling people throw dry powder at it and all that. Forex never begged people to buy Drip. It just works the way it does. It goes up, it goes down. You either gonna get in or not. No sweat off his, he don't care. He built something that works, and that's what it is. You listen to other developers, it's the community. Y'all need to buy it. He need to throw dry powder, blah, blah, blah. And do this and that. And Forex be just excited about what he got coming. All he want to talk about what I got coming. You think this something, just wait till you see what I got coming. You either gonna believe or you not. That's what every platform, that's what Bitcoin itself, with Ethereum itself, Cardano. You know who made the most money in all of these coins? Dogecoin, Sheep, all this stuff? The believers. While the haters sit back and still, you got all of those coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, all of them. People still call all those coins a scam. You can put any coin and put in scam. You will see recent videos, somebody calling it a scam. Somebody hates Charles Hoskinson. Somebody hates Richard Hart. Somebody hates Vitalik. You got people hate Satoshi. He's still alive, and he moved Bitcoin from this wallet to that wallet. It's gonna crash. He owns BlackRock. He did this with this and that. Man, this crypto it ain't even the Wild West. It's the Wild West, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't built for that, bro, then don't do it. The stock market is right there for the taking. You can make your 3-4% a year and ride on out. You can your 401k, keep working, keep putting it to your 401k, live happily ever after. This ain't for everybody, bro. Crypto is not for everybody. And drip especially ain't for everybody. It's high risk, but it's also high reward. Anything paying you 1% a day is high risk, high reward. You are seeing something that has never been done. Ever. You can hoot and holler about what you don't like about Forex, and you don't like about Telegram, you don't like about the community, it ain't gonna matter. It's still gonna pay 1%. It's still gonna pay 1% a day. Oh, that claim is so easy. Well, why come ain't nobody else doing it correctly without changing? Man, look here. Drip been paying that 1% a day, 10% tax in, 10% tax out, 5% on rolls, 5% on airdrops since day one. Can any other project say that? All the rest of them done changed the rules in the middle of the game. All of them. Drip still going with the same rules. I'm a guy, I ain't even got to have no UI changes and stuff. That's something everybody, the community, that's fine. Forrest gonna do what he want to do. It ain't my project. Do you, bro? Just as long as you don't change the rules in the middle of the game. That's all I care about. Do what you say you gonna do and move out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Get out the way. You know what you know. I know y'all was saying it, but you gonna be in your head all day. Hey man, but I'm just saying, man. I have to get that off my chest. Let y'all know why I like drip so, cause it just works, bro. Give me something that works. I love it. Don't give me something I can't sell. I gotta sell at pennies on the dollar. I can't, you know what I'm saying? You done changed the tax rate. I done waited and I done became aware now. You done changed it and I only get, you basically slashing my stuff. Like, what you doing? What are we doing? Drip it just works, man. That's all I can tell you. I know that make them mad and they want intricate details of how it works in the code on level 5. And is it going to level 3? And what's the code on this and that? Man, I don't care nothing about all. It works. And it goes straight to my account. Them dollar bills, y'all. You understand? Anyway, man. I could talk about drip all day. But anyway, like the video. I'm gonna leave the link to the drip garden game, to the drip testimonials. Man, look here. This is just come read some of this stuff, bro. Seriously. This is a long one right here. They talking about, hey man, just read it, man. Just, oh my God. And you mad at this, man? Look at, get off my channel. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. Notification gang, stand up.